Rogers NextBox error code 05 indicates a no signal or signal loss issue, meaning your box isn't receiving a cable signal from the cable outlet. This often happens due to weak signals, loose cable connections, or temporary outages affecting the coaxial cable feed. Common causes include weak or interrupted cable signals from the provider, loose connections at the wall or splitter, or temporary outages often triggered by weather or infrastructure issues. This error has been around for a while, accounting for 15 to 20% of reported NextBox issues, according to recent data. Fortunately, it's easily fixed with a simple reboot and signal refresh. While traditional cable boxes are declining with the rise of streaming services, this fix remains relevant for current NextBox users. Rogers is shifting towards Rogers Ignite TV, but NextBox is still supported with firmware updates released as recently as mid-2025. Understanding that this is a signal issue is the first step to resolving it yourself. To fix error code 05, first perform a quick reboot by unplugging your NextBox from the power outlet for 30 to 60 seconds. Then, plug the NextBox back into the power outlet. Once the NextBox powers on, perform a signal refresh via the on-screen menu. Press the menu button on your remote, then navigate to Settings and select Signal Refresh. This process rescans the channels and reauthorizes the signal, typically taking 2 to 5 minutes. After the signal refresh, your TV service should return. If the problem persists, check for Rogers service alerts via the app or website. This quick reboot and signal refresh resolves error code 05 over 80% of the time. If problems still persist, it may be time to contact a service technician for help.